Donkey. Donkeys are smaller than horses with long ears. They live on farms and deserts. They are strong and can carry heavy loads. Mule. Mules are a mix of horses and donkeys. They are hardworking and tough. People use them to carry goods in mountains. Camelopard. Camelopards is another old name for giraffes. They are tall with long necks. They reach leaves other animals cannot. Peafowl peacock. Peacocks have colorful shining tails. They live in India and nearby countries. Males fan their tails to impress females. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds. They live in African grasslands. They cannot fly but can run very fast. Emu. Emus are tall birds with long legs. They live in Australia. They run quickly and live in open lands. Cassowary. Cassowaries have black feathers and bright blue heads. They live in rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. They are shy but very strong. Kiwi. Kiwis are small round birds with long beaks. They live in New Zealand. They cannot fly and come out at night. Flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with pink feathers. They live near lakes and lagoons. They stand on one leg while resting. Pelican. Pelicans have big beaks with pouches. They live near rivers, lakes, and seas. They scoop fish from the water. Stork. Storks are tall birds with long legs. They live in wetlands and fields. Many stories say storks bring babies. Crane. Cranes are elegant birds with long necks. They live near lakes and grasslands. They perform dances with their wings. Swan. Swans are large birds with long necks. They live in lakes and rivers. They glide gracefully on the water. Duck. Ducks are small birds with flat bills. They live in ponds and rivers. They waddle on land and swim in water. Goose. Geese are bigger than ducks with long necks. They live in lakes and fields. They honk loudly when flying in groups. Eagle. Eagles are large birds with sharp beaks and claws. They live on mountains and near rivers. They are powerful hunters with excellent eyesight. Hawk. Hawks are medium-sized birds of prey. They live in forests and open fields. They soar high and swoop down to catch prey. Owl. Owls have big round eyes and can turn their heads far. They live in forests around the world. They hunt at night and are very quiet flyers. Parrot. Parrots have bright feathers and curved beaks. They live in tropical forests. They can copy human voices. Macaw. Macaws are large, colorful parrots. They live in South American rainforests. They fly in pairs and eat nuts and fruits.